wanted you to show the concept of data kits. Data kits are the thing that are being used for moving stuff from org A to org B. There are a lot of ways to deploy content in the context of Salesforce, but data kits are specifically designed for Data Cloud. All these things, data streams, objects, models, indexes, retrievers, normally should be deployable with data kits. In this little example, we'll just go end to end with moving a data stream, and we'll build up complexity from there. So I'm in my source org, and I'm going to set a new stream up. I'm going to make use of a Salesforce CRM. For example, let's say I want to bring in the accounts. Okay, I'm gonna click next. Sure. Select an object category, other, deploy. Well, how do you do this? You go to the top right, you go to Data Cloud Setup. There you will find data kits. You click on the data kit, you will click New. The naming convention I have made for myself is I do month, day, and then the time I created the data kit. Example, to deploy the stream, account, I click Save. Then I here can select a data stream, so I'm gonna click on the right side, click Add, and then account should pop up. There you go. I click Next. I'll give it a name, Oct 29 1059. And I'm gonna click Save. So in my data kit there is this one bundle. Now, and this is the manual part. There does not seem to be a way to pick this data kit up programmatically or retrieve it locally. If there is, please find out. According to documentation, you should download your manifest file. The manifest file does not contain any files. It is just an overview of what you are intending to download from your source org. So here you can see the data package kit name, and here you see the reference to account as a data source object, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, this data stream template, this is the actual stream connection. Now, how does that work? Ideally, you work in Visual Code. I think you go to Open Folder. I'm gonna give this a name. I'm gonna give this October 29. There you go. Then I'm gonna open a terminal, and I need to create a Salesforce project. SF project create name Oct 29 project. It's project generate these days. There you go. So now you see here nicely you have a project that allows you to retrieve assets from the server. Ideally, you here have a little folder where you put in your manifest. I'm gonna put that one higher, and in the manifest I will put the file manifest.xml, and then I'm gonna go to the thing I retrieved, downloaded from my server, because this is the thing I want to get locally. But I am not connected to, nope, not like this, SF org list. I'm not connected to the orgs I want to be connected to. This little icon, is it a Canadian leaf? I don't know. So how you can do that is SF org login. You will be asked to log in again. So I set source first, like this. and then it's successful. It should tell me this in a few seconds that it's successful. There you go. And now I'm going to check SF org list. Alright, so that happened. As you can see, I am now connected to my target org. I'm going to do the same thing again. SF org login. Go via web. This time I'm going to take source. Boom. Now, as you can see, you can alias your connections. And for the sake of clarity, I will alias my target at deploy.org as target, and I will alias my source at deploy.org as source. SF default set source equals source at deploy.org. It's alias set, okay, fine. Then second one, SF alias set target equals this part, and enter. There you go. So now I can talk about this org using the word source and using the word target. Before I go, I'm gonna quickly check it as an org list. Now we are all set. We have a Salesforce project. We have a manifest which says what we want to retrieve. So then we can proceed and do SF project retrieve start, and then you reference the manifest. I'm going to be lazy here. I'm just going to drag in the whole directory, and then of course I need to tell with target org from which org I want to retrieve. So if I now hit enter, it will retrieve what's in the manifest. Boom. And on the left side stuff happened. So he brought in the data source object information, as you can see. Now in order to deploy it, we're going to do SF project deploy start manifest, still refer to this little guy here, and set a target org to be target this time. So now it will pick up what's here and deploy it to the target if everything goes well. Here you see deploying metadata. Alright, so here we are again in the target org, and do not be confused, the stream is not here yet. The only thing we have done, and this is a little bit different with other deployments, is that it does not get deployed right away. It is October 29th, so here it is. My data kit has arrived. It's my bundle, and then we hit the big data kit deploy push button. Oh yeah, I need an org ID. Org IDs can be found under company information, so he needs to know where to. So I'm just gonna provide him with the company ID, org ID of this one. The deployment has been triggered. This is no guarantee that it works. If it's a big one, it takes a little bit. If you want to see how things are going, you can in your target org via the normal setup go to status, and if everything goes well, yes, today you see a successful deployment has happened. View details, 6 components, that's where the 6 lines which we saw here, so that did work. So if we now go to Data Cloud in our target org and hit refresh, boom, we need to wait a little bit. No, yeah, there it is, account home. So there you go, guys, moving assets from org A to to org B using datakits. This is just a little start because there's a lot of other assets with some funky dependencies going on, but this is where it all starts.